Retirement. So this is another thing that has been really confusing in the last few years because they keep moving around the years that you have to take RMDs. And RMDs, they don't affect Roth, people that have Roth accounts unless it's an inherited Roth. They do affect IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, SEPs, and simple plans. Moving the ages for RMDs, presumably because people are living longer and don't want to take money out of their accounts. But they've moved it twice in the last few years, and they're moving it again in 10 years. Why they're even doing that, I'm not sure, because they'll probably move it again. But so this is how it works. If you turned 72 and 22, you have to take that RMD. If you didn't turn, you can wait till 23 at age 73. So that was what was kind of confusing because people were hearing those two different ages. But if you already turned 72 and 22, that was your year. But if you didn't and turned it, you could wait till 23. Now this is the other really confusing thing about this, is technically the year you turn the age of RMD, you have till April of the following year, theoretically, to take your first RMD payment. So if you don't take one your first year, you can wait till April, but now in year 2, you have to take 2. So that's where people get really confused. You might as well, if you don't want to increase your income, you might as well take it in your first year that you turn 72 or 73, depending if it's year 22 or 23. So it gets a little bit confusing. Qualified charity distributions from IRAs are allowed up to $100,000. This is a great way to reduce your income if you want to give to charity and can't take that charity deduction because you're taking a standard deduction. Do it through your RMD on your through your IRA, and then you get full deduction for it, not only on the federal but also on the state. So it's a great way to get the benefit of it and give to charity. You can do it up to $100,000. I'm sure a lot of people have talked about this, but they eliminated the stretch IRA for non-spouse beneficiaries. And what this means, if you are not the spouse, you have to get all the money out of that IRA within 10 years. But if the person who was deceased was already taking RMDs, you still have to continue taking those RMDs. That got really confusing in 20 and 21. A lot of people thought, well, I have to clear it out in 10 years, but I don't have to take the RMDs. Yes, you do.